the destroyer. That's terrible. Join me in the fierce battle of the true area-opening machines. The Liebherr 586, a formidable powerhouse in the steel plant, boasts an impressive lifting capacity of up to 4 tons of blast furnace slag. Its specialized design and advanced cooling system ensure the machine operates reliably, supporting continuous and efficient steel production. The complete Terex Finlay crushing equipment at Carrière Mont Saint-Hilaire includes powerful crushers and screens with a capacity of up to 500 horsepower. This system can handle large volumes of rock and minerals, ensuring high performance and optimal crushing speed. Terex Finlay enhances the production process, meeting the large-scale mining demands of its partners. With a price ranging from $100,000 to $150,000. Would you want to own this machine? With a 350 horsepower diesel engine and sharp blade, the Cat D11N Bulldozer effortlessly pushes rocks weighing tens of tons. Despite the powerful jolts each time it hits a rock, the D11N relentlessly moves forward, solidifying its position as a giant in the construction industry. Have you ever imagined a drilling machine that's both compact and incredibly powerful? The Schottky 341 crawler drill will make you exclaim, "Oh my God!" Oh my gosh, have you ever seen an excavator working in such a challenging spot before? Are you looking for a solution to boost productivity and construction quality? The Tesmec 1475 trencher is the answer. With the ability to dig 2 parallel trenches up to 4.95 feet deep and an advanced conveyor system, this machine will save you time and effort, enhancing construction efficiency. Leave one like if you want the thrill of driving a mountain excavator. Imagine a machine that can sculpt hard stone blocks into perfect squares in the blink of an eye. That's the Zema SBC 100. With its intelligent design and advanced features, this stone cutting machine delivers high-quality stone products. At the open pit mine, the Atlas Copco ROC L8 showcases its exceptional power, drilling through layers of hard rock. Its roar is a testament to its incredible performance. With the ROC L8, mining operations become faster and more efficient than ever before.
designed for paving up to 30
The
feet
unmissable
wide.
GAMACO GP3 concrete slipform paver is equipped with a powerful 174 horsepower engine, allowing it to pave concrete roads up to 9.14 meters wide. Advanced slipform technology ensures a smooth, even, and precise concrete surface. The GP3 offers flexible adjustments, making it ideal for large road projects, optimizing both performance and construction quality.
Paves with the proven GAMACO paving molds.
The transport of a 318-ton power transformer in Dover, Kent, demonstrated abnormal loads, upload, expertise in handling oversized cargo. Using specialist vehicles and detailed planning, the transport was safe and efficient. With a weight capacity of up to 330,693,393 pounds, this equipment uses a flexible rotating system, suitable for heavy mining and construction projects. The rotating dragline hook rail 8200 is equipped with a powerful engine with a capacity of 750 horsepower, helping to lift and move loads efficiently. BRC Brexter in action in Luzerne demonstrates modern technology and efficiency in challenging construction projects. With precise performance and innovative design, the equipment ensures safe and reliable task performance. This activity highlights the role of advanced machinery in the modern construction industry. When everyone thought the Caterpillar 6015B couldn't climb the big mountain on a 9-axle vehicle, Pete Equipment Co. proved otherwise. With a powerful engine and 6015B, the teams overcame the steep road, conquering this difficult challenge. The FUN Arborguay 2 demonstrates outstanding power and advanced engineering in heavy-duty transport operations. Designed to handle demanding tasks, it combines a robust construction with modern technology to ensure reliability and efficiency. Thanks to modern technology, the Sunward SWDM 28 rotary drilling machine is equipped with a 250 horsepower motor, providing superior drilling performance. This power allows the machine to operate efficiently, ensuring work progress and achieving high precision in all conditions of the construction site. Equipped with a powerful 50 horsepower motor, the Aquarisus Garone SBC 100 cuts through hard stone blocks like bread. The 2-meter wide working table and automatic control system help the machine cut large stone slabs accurately and quickly, minimizing errors. The sharp cuts are a testament to the machine's sophistication, creating stone products that are perfect down to the last detail. The Cinnabogan 821 Electro and 825 material handlers are powerful warriors in scrap handling. The 821 Electro's 132 kilowatts electric motor allows for quiet operation, ideal for quiet environments. With its extended reach and lifting capabilities, the 825 and its versatile multi-purpose clamp handle all types of scrap. The giant excavator named Caterpillar 994 is one of the world's leading large excavators, manufactured in the United States by Caterpillar Incorporated. With a lifting capacity of up to 215 tons, this vehicle has a powerful diesel engine with 16 inline cylinders and a capacity of 90 liters. Displacement, providing a capacity of up to 2,250. The integration of intelligent safety systems, optimizing performance, and ensuring high safety standards during mining operations is particularly noteworthy.